Hi, I'm Stella Maha, confident coach, trainer, and mentor to young people, and I'm also the founder of the Lioness Within community. Our resilience and confidence building program is a unique and holistic program made up of 8 workshops. It is suitable for young people aged from 14 to 19 years, and it is being funded by the lottery. We have worked with up to 200 young people, helping them to develop resilience to social pressures and bullying on or offline. We've helped them to build a positive self-image from within, boosting their confidence and reducing anxiety. We've helped them to develop positive self-awareness, reducing self-consciousness and the constant fear of being judged or the need to be judgmental. We've helped them to develop assertiveness without aggression, having the ability to fearlessly speak up for their rights and beliefs without fearing judgment or condemnation. We've helped them to develop a sense of purpose by learning to focus their attention more on what they want to achieve and how to set goals to achieve them. We've helped them to embrace their perceived imperfections and to love who they are, rather than feeling pressured to be skinny or to look perfect, which can lead to eating disorders, depression, and self-harming. If you're a parent, a decision maker for a school, or an organization that works with young people, you know how important mental well-being is for a young person. Without it, there's no success, no future, no happy graduation day. So contact us today to make a positive impact on the mental health of young people. We also have one place left for a young person to benefit from our mentoring and coaching program, which is also funded by the lottery. It's free, but time is limited as the project ends next month. So contact me now if you're interested. You can email me at thelionesswithincoaching@gmail.com or send me a direct message on Facebook or Instagram.